Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert that combines the rich flavors of bananas, cream, and toffee on a buttery biscuit base. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Banoffee Pie, Banoffee Pie, Bar, Noff, Fee, Pie, Banoffee Pie. Banoffee pie is often enjoyed as a crowd-pleasing dessert at parties and celebrations. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about banoffee pie, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.